Welcome to the complete combed yarn manufacturing process inside a modern spinning mill. Everything starts with carefully selected cotton bales, chosen for premium yarn production. The bale opener removes small tufts of cotton for uniform blending and continuous processing. In the blow room, heavy impurities, leaves, and dust are removed from the cotton.
The cotton is blended carefully to maintain consistency throughout the yarn manufacturing process.
Uniform cotton feeding ensures stable quality before entering the carding stage. Carding is known as the heart of spinning because it individualizes every fiber. The carding machine removes up to 99% of remaining foreign particles.
The cleaned fibers are delivered as a continuous strand called carded sliver.
However, the sliver still contains short fibers and small entanglements called hooks.
To prepare for combing, several slivers are combined in the pre-comber drawing process.
This process straightens the fibers and improves sliver uniformity. The prepared slivers are converted into a thin sheet known as a comber lap. Modern superlap machines create highly uniform laps for efficient combing performance. The comber machine grips the cotton lap firmly using precision nippers. The rotating cylinder comb removes short fibers, neps, and impurities from the cotton. The removed short fibers are collected separately as waste material called knowle.
The top comb removes remaining entanglements and perfects fiber alignment.
The combed fibers are joined together continuously to create a smooth, uniform sliver. Now the material becomes combed sliver, containing mostly long and parallel fibers. Compared to carded yarn, combed yarn is smoother, cleaner, and significantly less hairy. Post-combing drawing further improves sliver regularity and fiber parallelization. This stage ensures consistent sliver weight throughout the entire spinning process.
The roving frame drafts the sliver into a finer strand called roving.
A slight protective twist is inserted to give temporary strength before ring spinning.
Ring spinning is the final yarn formation stage in the spinning process.
The roving is drafted to the required yarn count or yarn thickness.
A high amount of twist is inserted to achieve maximum yarn strength and durability.
The finished yarn is wound onto small packages known as cops. During winding, the yarn is transferred from cops onto larger cone packages. Electronic clearers remove spinning faults to ensure premium quality yarn appearance. Combed yarn is widely used for premium fabrics because of its strength and smoothness. From raw cotton to premium fabric, combed yarn manufacturing delivers the finest quality for modern textiles.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.